YouTube channel. My name is Dawn, and today I decided to do an unboxing for the Tory Burch Kira Chevron, the large size. And the color of the bag is Gray Heron. I think that's how you pronounce it. Anywho, I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting this bag for a long time, and I hadn't seen many of the gray color options available, so I thought I better do an unboxing so you guys can see how cute it is. All right, let's get started. Okay, it's time. Let's see. All right. So far, really cute. There it goes. Very cute wrapping. Let's see. Says, thank you. We hope you found exactly what you were looking for and that you love it. Tory Burch. That's what's on this card. Actually, I'll just leave that to the side. Then we have this. I'm assuming this is the receipt. Let's see. Yeah, it's a receipt and care instructions. Alright, let's get to it. I'm trying to grab it. Ugh. Here it is. Oh my gosh, so they give free gift wrapping, and I mean, why not? So I did buy this for myself as because I got a promotion at work, so I want to treat myself. Let's see. Loving this wrap. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Cute little dust bag. Feels like I guess like a linen bag. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. It feels so buttery soft, the leather. Oh my gosh. And here's the tag. And it is, let's see. Start focusing. Okay, it is Gray Heron. Okay. Take some of this stuff off. Take this out. Let's see. Take this off. Okay. Coming along, sorry guys. Okay, so still some more in there. Here is the inside of the bag. Got this side. It's spacious. We have the zip area. I like to put my lip gloss and stuff in that pocket. It's divided into two sections with the middle zip. Two compartments, should I say. Yeah, okay. I kind of suck at this. Anywho. Okay, so are you ready for it? Oh, so pretty. It's like almost like a grayish tan. It's gonna go with pretty much anything. So pretty. I love the gold hardware, and that you got shoulder straps for cushion. So cute. This is for what it looks like on. I could also wear it like this. Uh-oh, let me snap that. There we are. So I can wear it like this. Wonder if you can wear it crossbody. Let's see. There we are. It's cute as a crossbody too. Loving it. There we are. So perfect. It's so soft. Love the leather. Love it. Love it. So excited about it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please press like and then subscribe to my channel for more things coming your way. I'm so excited to share stuff with you guys in the upcoming week. So stay tuned. Talk to you soon.